done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? Right at the cool, cool breeze. Stand by your boom, boom cheek. Feel the
Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. You know, in last episode, I did the question, are Jamaican men the best guys to be in a relationship with? Well, to be fair, I have to ask, are Jamaican women the best women to be in a relationship with? Duh! What kind of stupid question that? Of course Jamaican women are the best women to be in a relationship with. We're exotic, educated, we can wash, clean, and quint. If you don't know what quinting means, ask your Jamaican friend. So, the other day I set out to ask some people, are Jamaican women the best women to be in a relationship with? And this is what they had to say.
On a scale to 10, about 7. Why not, lady, man? I say nothing. They're beautiful, I must say. Jamaican ladies are very beautiful, astonishing, but they have their faults. They love money differently. You can't go to Jamaican girl and say, baby, we're going to start a life together. We're going to start with love, hope, and faith. No, you have to spend money, bank account, and credit card.
No, not necessarily. Some of them don't really know how to take care of them real Jamaican guys, you know. They make the ladies overseas take care of us sometimes better than them.
Yes. Why? Because some of them loving, caring, some of them nice.
Jamaican girl are the best girl. You hear it from the realists, are the realists.
Jamaican girl, them are thief. Them are thief. The girl, they want your money. Me I tell you, are you big. And the girl, they want your big car, and your big house, and that they want to come see. No girl not build no life with no man again. Them a girl are thief, be eyelash, and they sit there, fingernail, and they can't cook a pound of rice. Because the rice will flash up on the wall. Them a girl I don't know nothing about cooking.
Yes, Jamaican girls are the best girls to date because why? In my opinion, we bring forth nice children. We like to work, we can cook, we can clean, we can wash. We are nice people overall, both female and male.
Yes, Jamaican girl are the best. From I know of, I don't really know of no white girl. I know of Jamaican girl, #1 girls in the world.
Well, Jamaican woman is the best woman to me because I'm a Jamaican, so I say that, yeah.
Let me tell you, Jamaican girls are the best girls. You mean, baby? The best man, them get the best wine. Not all of them want Jamaican, man. Some of them, yeah, red.
Yeah, man, because I have a wife that I'm married to her all 10 more times. She real. No boy can't point no finger about here.
Jamaican girls are the best girls to date. I prefer to date a lady from Jamaica because I know who she is or what. I know who she is, you know? I know her family background and where she's coming from. I want to be dating a woman, not a transvestite or anything of the sort, you know? So I want to know that my woman come from Jamaica. A Caribbean woman or a Jamaican woman is a woman to date, you know?
Don't listen to the negative comments. They don't know what they're saying. Of course, Jamaican women are the best women to date. If you don't believe me, find a Jamaican woman and find out. We are everywhere with their yard and with their forehead. Join the conversation, put it in the comments below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. And don't forget to subscribe.